Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in Perspective Drawing Series. This time we will learn how to draw a room in one point perspective. So let's get started. We will begin by marking a point at the middle of the page and slightly below from the top of the page over here. This will be our vanishing point. This is the point where all the parallel lines which are going away from the viewer will converge. Next up, we are going to draw a couple of lines, a couple of converging lines to this vanishing point. We will begin by drawing a line to the top right corner and another line to the top left corner. And we're going to draw two more lines which should end slightly above the page. So from here we can just draw a line just like this and another one over here, and we're going to draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Now we are going to draw the back wall of the room. We're going to do that by just dropping in a few verticals and a few horizontal lines. So there's one over here. Yeah, and just like that, our room is beginning to take shape. We have a roof, 3 walls, and a floor. Next, we have to add a few details, and we have to place a few objects inside our room. We will begin by making a door on the left wall over here. So just drop in 2 vertical lines, which will be the width of the door, and just draw a line which goes to the left vanishing point once you decide how high or how tall your door should be. Remember that whatever line you are drawing over here should go to your vanishing point. And we have our doorway here. I'll just make that a little bit darker, or I'll just make it completely dark. All right, that was very easy. Next, we will what shall we do? Okay, we will draw a window on the right wall over here. That looks pretty good. Next, let us add maybe a study table over here. So let's say it should be of this much width and this much depth. Next, you can just make some shading. uh, we are going to assume that the light is going to come in through this window, so this wall is going to be of a darker value compared to the other two walls. Once you are done with the shading, you're going to end up something like this. I've just gone ahead and added small little details like clockwork, a small shelf over here where there's a vase, a welcome mat with books, and a pen stand. So as you saw, it's not that difficult to draw a room in a single point perspective. Just make sure that all your lines go to the same vanishing point, and your horizontal lines are going to remain horizontal and your vertical lines are going to remain vertical. So I guess that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.